Dodge Durango with a 5.2 liter V8. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the serpentine belt today. It's a pretty easy job. Anyways, if you're subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. Now this is going to apply to all the 5.2s and the 5.9s, no matter what year it is. If you have those two engines, it's going to work just as well. Anyways, let's do this. Got my belt already. I'm going to take a 15 millimeter, put it on your tensioner pulley. Don't matter what you're using. I'm using just a long mountain wrench. Take all the tension off. Now the longer you use, the easier it's going to be to tension. Pull your belt off. Now if your belt routing sticker is missing, draw your routing before you pull it off. Grab your new belt. Always do this first before you go routing it, because you'll have it all routed and realize it's too small or too big. Get all the bends out of it. Put it on the floor. Put them side by side. Pull up on it. Looks good to me. Alright, I always go around the crank first. Now if you're having a little bit of a hard time, you can always get a long screwdriver like I have up there, just in case. Now we're going to go around the water pump. Pull all the slack out of it so it doesn't slip off the crank. Alright, now around the water pump, we're going to go around the power steering. Continuing to pull all the slack out of it. Alright, now we're going to go around the tensioner, making sure everything's still lined up. Now, we're on the alternator already. Now you're going to tuck it up under this idler pulley. Grab my wrench. Alright. Making sure everything's nice and tight. Start it up, make sure it's not squeaking. Make sure everything's lined up. Because if you're hanging off a groove, it'll take a whole notch off and you'll damage the belt. So no need for that. You might need one because if you haven't done as many belts as I have over the year, I just use it to fish it on the pulleys if you can't get it on with your hands. Start her up, make sure it's quiet. Good to go. There you go, y'all. Hope y'all like this video. Check like, and as always, subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.